Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine bottle. First, we gather the primary ingredients: silica sand, soda ash, and limestone. These components are carefully measured and mixed to form the glass batch. Next, this mixture is heated in a furnace to extremely high temperatures, often exceeding 500 degrees Celsius, until it becomes a molten, viscous liquid. This glowing, fluid glass is then ready for the initial shaping stages. Once the glass is molten, it's crucial to prepare it for individual bottle formation. A precise amount of molten glass, called a gob, is cut and dropped into a blank mold. This initial mold begins to shape the glass into a parison, which is a preliminary form resembling a thick-walled tube. This step is vital for ensuring the final bottle has uniform thickness and strength, setting the foundation for its characteristic shape. After the parison is formed, it's quickly transferred to the final blow mold. Here, compressed air is introduced, inflating the soft glass to precisely fill the mold's cavity. This process gives the bottle its distinct shape, including the shoulder, body, and base. The neck finish, crucial for sealing, is also precisely formed during this stage, ensuring a perfect fit for corks or caps. Once molded, the hot bottles enter an annealing oven, where they are slowly cooled to relieve internal stresses, preventing future breakage. After annealing, each bottle undergoes rigorous quality control, often using automated inspection systems that check for any defects, such as cracks, thin spots, or deformities. Only bottles meeting strict quality standards proceed to packaging. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.